Assalamu alaikum everyone. We are the student of Anjuman Islam Saif Tayyabji Girls Junior College. My name is Zubia Sheikh with my partner Shah Rukhsar and our guide teacher is Shabeen Begman. We have made innovation on marathon pillar demography, problem statement to promote access to technology, skills development and employment opportunity for the backward state and section of society. Innovation name Education for Sustainable Development. We all know that India is rich in culture and prestigious in its tradition, but the certain states still need to be take care of its term of education, poverty and development. There are some well-developed states like Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and other side there are some backward states in India. Let's see which are backward state in India. Odisha, Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Chhattisgarh, Meghalaya, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan. These all are states which come in backward. But among this all states, Chhattisgarh ranked top in the term of poverty in India. It is not the only state, but it Odisha. Odisha is 32.59% of population fall below poverty line. Odisha is the second highest in the term of backward tribes and scheduled caste people, and the literacy of Odisha is very low. Most of the kids are out of school. They do not get proper education. Similarly, if we talk about Assam, Assam is facing different problems like limited transportation system, suffering from slow economic growth, and another reason for the backward rate is poor climate. Some reason of state backwardness is education, health, poverty, difference between female and male literacy percentage of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe population and so on. As per the index, the most developed states are Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Maharashtra, Uttarakhand and Haryana. But in India, if you see, backward states are more than the developed state. In one of the main reasons of backwardness of state is lack of education. For example, Rajasthan has the lowest male literacy rate while Bihar has the lowest female literacy rate and Odisha has very low literacy. But all sections of society similarly every gender should be given equal opportunity for education. What do you think about that? Because education shows the large impact on development of any country as it drives people productivity and enables social economic empowerment necessary for an inclusion and sustainable growth process. Education also helps the state to reduce poverty, save children's life, increase income and make people healthier, etc. For this we can say education is required for overall development of not only an individual but also the nation. Here have some solution of the problem. We can develop the school, colleges and university where people from these states can overcome their problem with the help of education, develop their skills and improve their lifestyle. Also, this can be developed in one university. Job opportunity will be available. It helps in Indian economic also. It will be given equal chance of education for all the classes and gender. Hence, there will be no difference between normal people and backward class people. If you like our idea, so please share this video and like and comment on our video. Thank you.